I will become famous if my experiment becomes successful. Oh no, something wrong happened. Maybe this antidote will work, and I can save the world. Please stop. I want to help. Thanks, God.
Subscribe my channel for more updates.